You know that feeling when you're ready to start investing, but you're staring at a blank screen and have no idea where to even begin? Or maybe you've heard about M1 Finance and their amazing automation features, but you're not sure how to actually use them to build your portfolio. Well, what if I told you there's a simple, step-by-step way to get started that will have your first investment portfolio, your first M1 pie, up and running in minutes? Stick around because today, we're doing a full walkthrough on creating your very first pie on M1 Finance. This is perfect for beginners who want to automate their investing and build a diversified portfolio without the guesswork. First things first, what exactly is a pie on M1? Think of it like a basket of stocks and ETFs. Each slice of the pie represents a single stock or ETF, and you get to decide how big each slice is. For example, you might want Apple to be 10% of your pie and the S&P 500 ETF to be 50%. M1's brilliant automation ensures that your portfolio always stays at those target percentages, automatically buying and selling to rebalance as needed. It's the ultimate set-it-and-forget-it tool for investors. Now, let's get into the step-by-step process of building your pie. Once you're logged into your M1 account, you'll want to navigate to the Invest tab. From there, you'll see an option to create a new pie. This is where the magic begins. You'll be presented with a few options. M1 has expert pies, which are pre-built portfolios based on different investment strategies, things like retirement, income, or specific sectors. These are a great starting point if you're feeling overwhelmed. But for this tutorial, we're going to build a custom pie from scratch so you can see how it works. Click on Build Your Own Pie. Now you're in the Pie Builder. You can search for any stock or ETF you want to add. Let's say you're a fan of tech and want to add some big names. You can search for something like Apple or the ticker AAPL and add it to your pie. Maybe you also want to add a broad market ETF like VOO, which tracks the S&P 500. Just search for VOO and add it. As you add slices, you'll see the total percentage of your pie update. M1 makes it super easy to adjust the weighting of each slice. Let's say we want Apple to be 20% of our portfolio and VOO to be 80%. You simply click on the slice and type in the percentage you want. You can even add a cash slice if you want to hold some uninvested money within the pie. Once you have all your desired stocks and ETFs in the pie and the percentages add up to 100%, you're almost done. You can give your pie a name, like My First Growth Pie or Long-Term Portfolio, whatever makes sense to you. This is especially helpful if you plan on having multiple pies in the future. After you've named it and confirmed your allocations, you'll hit Save. Congratulations! You've just created your first M1 pie. The final step is to fund it. You can do this by linking a bank account and transferring money into the pie. Once the money arrives, M1 will automatically invest it for you according to the percentages you set. It's that simple. From here on out, every time you add more money, M1 will handle all the buying to keep your pie balanced and on track. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.